Can you bounce?
You know,
Can you
close to
bounce?
what we're bidding new crop wise.
Kaden, can you
And
bounce?
we never have to turn it. We're probably not going to carry it.
Good
We're
job.
probably not going to handle it anyway because it's not going to. Here's
Good
what I'm
job.
curious. We got these oars sold off down here all the way through.
Kaden,
We'll carry our.
can you
our
bounce?
in the country, we'll carry
Yeah.
the oars in to new
Good
crop.
job.
And then if we actually
Yeah,
do make
you're
a
doing
crop,
so good.
then we can kick them out in early June or June,
going.
against our oar sales,
Keep
and know that we're
going.
gonna have protein to replace it with. Or if we don't,
Yeah.
if we just get a little bit of high protein
Yeah.
wheat,
You keep
then we'll just
going.
blend it and
Keep
make 12 out of it
going.
in the country. And everybody else has oars, so that's
Wow.
what we're thinking. So
Wow. Good job. Good job. Go some more? You gonna go some more?
Trading wheat is, it's a pain in the ass, but it's not. When we have many tools as many as we do, it's not that difficult. At least the raw fundamentals, not the exotic trades, the flat price and trying to figure out who
Keep
around the world
going.
is actually going to start using
Keep
hard grade
going.
wheat. But
Yeah. Oh.
fundamentally, it's not. The only thing that's fundamentally really active on the market is fucking trying to stop and wheat when it doesn't.